which you have in front of you. I hope you've read. It is. It has been penned by staff. I'll be the first to admit that. Staff were instructed by us what to pen in the submission, and that is the submission that they have penned for you here. Do you want to make any changes, alterations or amendments to this submission?
So just to be clear, Mr Chairman, it's actually already gone because submissions closed on the 26th. So yes, we do have the opportunity to submit a further letter, or alternatively, when you present the submission, you have an opportunity to update the content of that.
And they'll probably accept one retrospectively anyway, so you've got to understand our dates and things like that. But as Ms McLeod said, yes, it has gone. Yes, we are going to go and speak to it. So when we speak to it, we can add or soften or harden or anything else anybody should wish to do, if that's the feelings of the council here today. So speak your minds, please. Councillor Dunnett.
All I can say is that the local government conference, they did endorse that each council do put in a submission and on the very same lines as local government's submission. So yeah, I'm quite happy. I read Grant Cope's email that came through and probably wasn't too happy with the way that staff have worded the submission, but I think it gels with the local government submission, and I think that's was the main theme down there, that we do our submissions to voice as all local government over the whole of New Zealand.
Fairly mechanical in my opinion. Okay, we don't actually have a resolution there, which just enable us to consider making us a further...
Sorry, Mr Chairman, yes you do. At the,
oh, you put it in their demo.
Yeah.
My apologies, I should have read it properly.
So
I read the letter.
11R1,
yep.
And you'll see that we're also looking for a... so authorises the Mayor and... Councillor's name to be put in there. And the other point I'd make too is that we've made sure that the submission fits with the intention of the Bay of Plenty to try and join together with the presentation of submissions from the Bay of Plenty area as well.
Okay, well the first thing I want to ask is, do councillors actually feel it should be presented in person in Wellington?
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to, does it have to be the Mayor and, or is that better, is it?
I think it certainly, it probably has some more standing if it is the Mayor and a councillor, but yes, you could put two councillors on there.
I believe that the Mayor should lead this. I think it's that important subject.
That's fine. I'm just opening it up for comment. So who do they propose to be the councillor? Have we got a date yet, or approximate? They did give us those dates. When are they doing these hearings? Was it?
Oh, you're
was
testing
it,
me now.
I remember 15th of October or 15th September.
Yeah, they're certainly moving very fast on this. I know that.
The government's moving very fast.
Yeah. My apologies.
Unbelievably so.
I don't have that date on the top of my head.
I think it was 15th September. So okay, at this stage, I'm happy to go if it fits the diary. So any nominations for councillor, please?
I'm quite happy to support if no one else. I mean, I've had a bit to do with the local government conference, which was a big subject down there. So,
okay, well, at this stage, I'll put a mayor and deputy, and if those dates don't, we'll come out on the computers and see. Okay. Yep. So the mayor and the deputy mayor. Present the oral submission at select committee hearing. I'm pretty sure it was something like 15th September. Sorry, I haven't got it in front of me. Okay, so there's a suggested resolution. Do I have a mover, please? Move, Councillor Hickling. Secondly, Councillor Johnson. All in favour? Aye. Thank you.